Alright, today I'll be working on replacing my front sway bar links. Let's go. Okay, I'm going to start off by removing the wheel and turning it clockwise to gain access to the sway bar link. As usual, I'll be spraying some degreaser here just so things don't get too messy. I'm going to grab a 14 and undo. See, it's actually spinning on the other side, so I have to find a branch. That it's not a 12, is it? 9/16. So I think a 9/16 will do the trick. We're gonna do the exact same thing on the upper nut. Grab your wrench, grab your socket, and get it out of there. These things like to get pretty stuck, so just whack it with a hammer or something and just get the link out of there. So here's the new one. I'm gonna leave again a link down below where you can actually purchase these from. Just gonna put it in there, and these come with a 17mm bolt. So I'm gonna put the 17mm bolt on there. All right. I'm gonna grab the socket. These are way easier to work with. You don't have to be dealing with the wrench and socket setup. By the way, you can move the link a little bit. So once this one is in place and it's a little tight, see, you can actually move the link so that it lines up there. Once it lines up, maybe I just need to push on this one, push down on it so it lines up perfectly, and I just push it in. So let's do that. Okay, let's see if you don't want to cooperate. I'm gonna grab this up. All right. And that's it. This one gave me one hell of a time, but it's there, it's done. Now I'm gonna put the wheel back in place and call it a day.